This cloud waterfall is a rare and beautiful natural phenomenon that occurs when a sea of clouds flows over a mountain ridge or escarpment, giving the appearance of a waterfall. Cloud waterfalls are most common in mountainous regions with humid climates, such as China, Taiwan, and New Zealand. This natural phenomenon is caused by the refraction of sunlight through ice crystals in the atmosphere. It is most common in cold climates, but in the warm climate, it's really rare. This natural phenomenon is called circumzenithal arc. It's an upside-down rainbow-like arc in the sky, caused by sunlight refracting through ice crystals. A rainbow-colored cloud, also known as a pileus cloud, is a rare and beautiful cloud formation. It is caused by rapidly rising air that collides with cooler air above it, forming a smooth, cap-like cloud over the top of a cumulus cloud. This natural phenomenon occurs when dust or sand particles are suspended in the atmosphere, giving raindrops a reddish tint. It is a rare occurrence and often happens in arid regions where dust or minerals are prevalent in the air.